In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the direct canvas editor in Artistly AI. Once you're logged into Artistly AI, go directly to editor.artistly AI and wait for the direct canvas editor to load. To start, you can either upload your own image or create one using a prompt inside the editor. Then place it directly onto the canvas. Next, use the text tool to add headings, subheadings, or any branding elements. Click on any element to move it, resize it, or reposition it anywhere on the canvas. At the top menu, you can adjust key settings like size, alignment, spacing, and layering to make your design look clean and professional. If multiple layers are available, you can stack elements and reorder them so you control what appears in front or behind. Once everything is arranged, review your design on the full canvas, make final tweaks, and then export or download your finished work. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.